How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android. Now there are several ways to do this, but the one I'll show you involves an app called Copy My Data. First, open up your app store and download this app. It's called Copy My Data Smart Transfer. After you've downloaded it, just open it and make sure that you've downloaded this app on your Android too. After you have downloaded it, set it up on both of your devices. Now, as you can see, Copy My Data has this interface. Now you need to enable permissions. Now, after you've given the permission to the app, you need to just continue and then choose a transfer method. Now you can either use Wi-Fi or your Google Drive. Let me just use my Wi-Fi, and then if you have done the same on your Android device, your Android device should pop up here, and then you can just select the device and then select all the photos that you want to share, and then you'll be able to share your photos from Android to iPhone and also from iPhone to Android. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.